Bitcoin is literally going crazy right now. We just made a new monthly low exactly as we predicted, and Bitcoin is literally pumping right now as the Fed Chair Jerome Powell is speaking. I'm gonna talk about this huge pump. I hope everybody got into huge long trades because I told you very clearly in my previous videos. A couple of videos I've been saying the same thing, guys. If you can see, literally, don't short Bitcoin, get ready to long. And also the last title called I will long Bitcoin today. Here's why. As you can see, I literally in this 11-minute video I've explained why I think Bitcoin is gonna go and drop even further, and I told you that we're gonna make a new monthly low before getting the best long trade into Bitcoin. As you can see, if I go to the 4-hourly time frame, we clearly just made an SFB. We took liquidity, we made a new monthly low, as you can see, and now we're literally pumping with news or without. I don't usually take a look at news. I don't care about news that much. However, technically I knew that Bitcoin, once it has had this huge drop, I explained why I think Bitcoin is a bit bearish. I was actually bearish since we broke out of 118. We lost 118.5k. I took a short and I held this short, and I kept saying in my couple last videos, I think 4 or 5 videos I've been uploading daily on this new English channel, I've been telling you guys that I'm still continuing to be short. However, once we got close to this monthly low, as you can see on I think the 3rd of August, I made a video yesterday telling you guys that I think we should be very ready to get into longs. I hope everybody that watches this channel, I know that this is a brand new channel in English. However, I've got an Arabic channel with almost 8.5k subs. If you want to support me, make sure to subscribe into this English channel because I'm trying to push content as much as possible. I've been saying Bitcoin is gonna get a huge drop, wait for a new monthly low, and then get into the best long trade. If you missed this long trade, hopefully I'm trying to upload every day so you can guys get into new and better ideas. If you missed this long, don't worry. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna talk about better ideas. Now let me get into Ethereum. As you can see, also Ethereum is also going crazy. I told you that Ethereum is probably gonna make a new all-time high, and now we're seeing Bitcoin explode. That doesn't mean actually, guys, flipping super bullish. Although I just took a long a couple of minutes ago before taking shooting this video, and I'm still at huge profits. My entry is literally at 112. As you can see, my entry is literally at the low of right now before we started bumping. However, that doesn't mean actually taking a long right now. Please, if you didn't watch the last video, if you weren't prepared and ready to take the long with us at the lows, don't be longing right now, because Bitcoin is obviously right now is getting close. By the time I post this video, it's gonna probably be hitting this resistance. It's getting close to this major resistance at 116 to 115.5k. If you want to get into a huge bullish rise, we must see Bitcoin reclaim 115.5k and then reclaim this anchored view up, telling us that we ended this job. As you can see, the anchored view up is an important tool, and it's right now sitting at $116,000. So basically, I think that if we want to see a new all-time high on Bitcoin, we must see this area. As you can see, we must see this area being flipped from resistance into support. Right now I've taken a long. I'm very excited and ecstatic about this long. However, I'm still not prepared to hold this long to new all-time highs until we see a clear break of structure, a clear break of 116.5k. If Bitcoin, say right now, hits 116.5 and then goes down, then I'm gonna be also prepared to long again and buy again if it goes once again under 110. So if you missed the best long to be had right now, you either wait for a new low or you wait for a claim of 116.5k. And in Ethereum's case, I've got nothing to tell you guys, to be honest. If you haven't longed Bitcoin and Ethereum in my couple of videos, last video, especially Ethereum, because I've made it very clearly. I've told you guys that I think Ethereum is gonna make a new all-time high, and I'm still expecting that to happen, to be honest. As long as Bitcoin is holding strong, it's not dropping very heavily, as long as Ethereum against Bitcoin is gonna go even further, then I'm still holding my same expectation. We have a very poor high. I'm still expecting new all-time highs on Ethereum, and I'm very glad and happy about the best long entry we've had today. Thanks for watching.